Hola, welcome to Spanish class. I am Miss Marrero. I will teach Español 2 y 3 in room 123. Attendance is a key for your success in this class. Remember, you are not learning a subject, you are learning a skill. My advice, study and practice the new vocabulary and grammar. If we do face-to-face classes, you will need a binder, paper to complete activities and take notes, and pencils every day. Oh yes, you will have several assignments, some projects, tests, quizzes. But what is more important to succeed in Spanish? Complete classwork, active participation, and perform in the target language daily. Please, if we are not using cell phones for classwork, turn it off and put it in your backpack. Now please find a piece of paper and take notes. If you ever need help, ask your teacher first. I'm here to help you. I hope to see you soon. Adios.